Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to refresh your FYP For You page on TikTok. Firstly, you have to make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to open the app. Click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now you have to move to the content preference here. You can see at third option refresh your For You page on TikTok. Click on continue, click on refresh. In this way your For You page will be refreshed. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.